Hey, this is Tony with Music Guy Online, and I've got your 3-minute mix fix video tutorial of the week. And today we're talking about how to add a little bit of tape saturation, a little distortion, if you will, onto your master fader to create a more dynamic mix. And specifically, we're going to turn it on during the chorus, as we've been doing in recent weeks with stereo width and reverb adjustments we're making, because we have this song we've been working on called Woo Woo, and it's we go from the verse to the chorus in this song, and there's not a whole lot to really differentiate one part from the other. There's some more instrumentation that comes in, and that's about it. And the drum bit changes just a little bit, so the rhythm changes ever so slightly. But, I'm choosing this song because it makes for a good example of a lot of songs where, our job is to make, as the composer or the mixer, is to make a chorus stand out. We want something catchy and memorable that's going to bring the listener back time and time again. This applies to most genres of music. That's generally the goal, and the chorus is the best chance to do that. But just a lot of times, just by virtue of the way that they're composed or recorded, there's not a big difference when you make that transition to really make that chorus jump out of the speakers and really take you with it. So we do little things to enhance that adjustment, enhance that transition, if you will, in a song like this, Woo Woo. And like I said, we've done the depth. Right down the middle, we've done left to right, and now we're just going to add a little bit of kind of warm tube saturation on the master fader. This is going to be a very subtle change. I'm going to key it on and off. You see I just add a little bit of drive, a little bit of overdrive, a little bit of tone to that. So it might sound just a bit warmer, just a little bit crunchier maybe. You be the judge. That's without. With. I adjusted the output so that, the volume wouldn't sway you one way or the other. It's one of the more subtle things that you can do on a mix if you're using it well. I mean, too much and it's just going to sound, grindy, and you're going to be able to hear that it's there. But just this kind of just warmness that you want to put on the master, your submix, that can be a great place to use it right here when you're making that transition and turning it off from the verse to turning it on for the chorus. Or you can even just automate up the amount of drive that you're using. Just another way to keep the mix dynamic. Let me hear it one more time. There you go. Just a teeny bit of saturation to drive home that chorus a bit more and keep things dynamic as ever. All right? I'm Tony with Music Guy Online. Please subscribe if you haven't. We do these videos every week. And hope to see you next week.